We are here with Deputy General Manager of Mövenpick Karachi, Mr. Khurram Awan. How are you?
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum to you, and thank you for being here.
Mr. Khurram, I have a few questions I'm dying to ask you. The hotel industry is such a tough industry. Tell me how you manage it all.
It is a very charming industry. It is ever evolving every minute, every hour. The demands are changing, the customers are changing. Yes, it is very interesting. It looks really glamorous from outside, but there's a lot of work happening behind. For that, what we are here for, we need to keep on checking on our teams, making sure that we communicate, meeting our customers and making sure things are happening according to their expectations. All the operational departments, I am the one who are taking care of that. Of course, I have a big team which reports to me, and we meet daily in the morning. We meet during the day, solving difficult situations, customer issues, customer feedback. So it's all happening in one day. But again, it's you need to enjoy what you're doing. Otherwise, it's a hell of a job. In fact.
अच्छा, Mr. Khurram, आप हमें बताएं टूरिस्ट के बारे में जो यहाँ पे आके रहते हैं, जो यहाँ का खाना खाते हैं. How do they give you the feedback?
टूरिस्ट क्योंकि जो भी होटल के अंदर आ रहा होता है वो they're all customers, and of course tourists are those who are coming from abroad or coming from different cities. So in hotels you have a mix. आपके पास हर किस्म के लोग आ रहे होते हैं, आपके लोकल लोग आ रहे होते हैं, आपके पास फॉरेनर्स आ रहे होते हैं. तो आप उसके लिए जो रेस्टोरेंट्स में स्पेशली प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, आपको बड़ा केयरफुली चीज़ें रखनी पड़ती हैं. ऑफ कोर्स जो हमारे लोकल्स हैं उनके लिए आपको मसाला और स्पाइसेस, बट फॉर फॉरेनर्स यू नीड टू कीप इट रियली माइल्ड ताकि वो हमारे फूड को या इंटरनेशनल फूड को एंजॉय कर सकें.
And how many restaurants do you have currently in Mövenpick?
We are running 6 restaurants altogether, जिसमें हमारे पास Lamama है, which you will go today. We have Al Bustan, we have Lotus, which is a Chinese restaurant. Kebabji, which is not a regular kebabji, but it's a traditional Lebanese food. Pakistani it's our signature restaurant. Serves traditional Pakistani food, our regional food. Then we have Fanus, where we're standing right now. It serves coffee, sandwiches, snacks all day for small meetings and tidbits. And then we have a small gourmet shop, with favorite cakes, very known. We have the best bread available in Karachi. You can find it at the gourmet shop.
Okay, so basically all different cuisines and different restaurants catering to each and individual.
Absolutely, it has to be that way because you tend to get, आपको हर किस्म के लोग आपके पास आते हैं और आप उनको केटर करने के लिए आपको मुख्तलिफ किस्म के कुजीन जो हैं वो अवेलेबल रखने पड़ते हैं.
अच्छा, आप मुझे बताएं आपकी टीम में कितने सारे लोग हैं? How many employees आपके पास हैं कि आपको मैनेज करने पड़ते हैं?
All together, approximate 650 लोग काम करते हैं.
Oh my God, wow.
And of course, it's a 24 hours job. So we have different shifts. So they work in different shifts, morning, evening, night. So we have a big family to look after and to look after our customers.
Achha, the hotel industry is such a challenging task every day, and so many hotels are upcoming. Not on the level you guys are, of course. But what makes you so different from other hotels?
What makes us different is our people and our standards, in fact. Of course, we can't underestimate our competition. They're doing a great job. That is why they are our competitors, and that's why they are existing in the market. So be very conscious about what is happening in the competition, what are the new trends which are coming into the market, how we are adopting it, how the competitors are adopting it. So it's not an easy task. Yes, you need to be we would like to be leading the market, but of course there are ideas which are there. At times you lead it and at times your competitors. Having a competition is very healthy in a sense that which keeps you fit, which keeps you looking at something and driving. It's again a driving force. So having a competition around is great. We would love to see new hotels coming in. So you have more competition around, so people can see variety of design, variety of food, which we would love to see.
Thank you so much for having us, Mr. Khurram Awan. It was lovely speaking to you. It was a very positive conversation to hear, very healthy as well.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much for having us, and I hope you take care.